You don't go too close, it's fine. I don't. Yeah.
You see, at the end, then I'm a day trade a copper. It's unsent. Let's thank you, a new.
Yeah.
Let's answer the member.
Yeah. Yeah.
The can that the John 12 bread a chairman.
Yeah.
Alcohol and animal.
Yeah.
Say, one banner,
yeah.
The son, the who don't eat.
Yeah.
The 20 member do and the mayor to tell me the man in track.
Yeah. Yo. And I'm a semper.
Oti region
yeah.
Let's say Oba, the regional vice chairman of the Oti Regional Council of Chiefs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now Obetia won.
Ampa.
Sekwan won ho.
Yeah.
And son oni oman no akokasa.
Ampa.
Se mu he.
Yeah.
Esan say oni mamamre no san mamre nti.
Ampa.
And onim man he a ewa ha, achiam ye ewa ha.
Yeah.
Ebia de pentu.
Yeah.
Envelope kakra da so.
Yeah.
Nana no nye.
Yeah.
Ye konkonye fi a.
Yeah.
Ide ya paye.
Yeah.
Ne envelope no so de ya fufuto.
Yeah.
Ama nananum.
Yeah.
Ama nananum nkra aba betaye chi.
Yeah.
Abeta Ghana chi. Abeta MPP. Amanyo ko ne chi ma ya time buman no akochi. Ntu ba ko ni. Ye to so ni. To so gen sansu. Sana buoma de nso. Nana wura ye wa ha. Apesoku bi de wa ha. Anatepa de wa ha. Two chief nso churches asori e de nso wa ha. Bobo for na
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Raura Man, Apisokubi Man, Tapa Man, you are most welcome to Raura. Yababe share wa hanu jofanya, asidankwa, ene yadere mabang, ene jumapa oriye, na nyawaye, na ogusuyire ye, yenim so obetu yaso, na kakra pese ye kade kan hono, eye sese Raura Man se, won kwan efi Raura ha, ekokogo krom no, am se ho atochima kakra, na sanke beye ya, nanka wonga di hu djuma kakra amayen na netu se bie no so no e dey humble request appeal ni party to say a special to His Excellency the President Commander in Chief, and it is being passed through the vice and it's Raura Man say what it is a regional hospital no. The directorate in the Ababaha, na hospital Nankasa de Wabapese Ebeko Dambai. Now one humble appeal in this Ebeye ya Nankanana do Dankwa was a son of Kakrama wong. And your humble appeal. Let it be a regional minister. Naya or the Amano. Na wubia na kakrebia wo ho betimi aka afa ho no oda kam aman na ne atuse bie no nso no na excellency abedu ha ya sang mana kwa aba na se ne se bibiara obehwe a ede oman mpuntu beba no onkoso na onye mayen na enim so fi hansi or ba beko oman ni se they wish him happy tour and safe journey back to Accra.
Wiase Town Road, one kind of Bombi, Amania, about Town Road. About to us, Town Road, candidate Akaisha, about to us, Town Road. As a hospital, was once and so never quite with as a in America, say, Nana for Juma, why, if you're 9 years, if you have it to me at the dance, say, why, it's Ghana, young man to us, young man to us, but said it. Nana Marca Savior, more years and yes, we'll say, we'll be number 1. Yes, as in here, parliamentary candidate. Juma, possible, constituency, any opportunity. And yes, and we are bringing ye what they are tea among and 2 years that
episode to Obama MPP.
Nienti ameto Obama MPP. First na nka ya maame no ton wo ma ahode ansa na wo ma atumi de yan akọ school. Say dia na na adu nti obia to me ko school enu nti na meto abama nana
what they compare MPP and NDC so better than MPP than NDC
ansro ya damu kasia de kira say NDC ba wa meya hwe na MPP dia wa beya ne esa ne ne fata enti ye to abama nana do fisa ye mako school ye madidi free na hia ne sa akwala na asori adware na akọ school a odidi nti ya ahofo ye ho atọ yen
say mo person to abama na do na so be 4 years bim after 4 years then I expect if na go for do
after 4 years no ye to abama na do na after 4 years no nia eda ntoaso a waso toaso no watimi atoaso ama yen
me da wase bibi wo ma bisa so de kan
oh nia me de be kan no say ye bompa ya asre nyankopon ho ode ama nana ye hia nkwatenti ama no watena se na nia no buta ya nyankopon yi na ama ye se o meboa ye no watimi abeboa ye ne yatimi ahwe ye ma
da se
nana do ye nyina yenum adwuma pa a ekoso a MPP fo aye free SHS kura ka hu bi kura ntia me pese meto ye mani daache me pacho me a me gira ha ma benefit me ba eco school free presec nka me se ne hwan se metua presec sika mini sika nanso ene me ekoko farmer ya tu koko so entia me pese meto abama akufuado Mr Digital nanado sese ye bibia digital se dia Dr Baumia aye no ene me gira asisi ai ya ma transfer sika Afri Bank abami phone so makoyi na ka hu bi enti am pesa me to abama MPP
say odisu a then na hwehwe say 4 years na den anum no onyama rarafo
me pacho rara sisi a rara em say ye town layers no kwan na deda rara no potamu no me pacho ye problem kakra enso to a streets no enso to a hayen enti yesre no say enu na hia en say pese onye mayen ye street no ana ye pe astrotef so bako e rara secondary school ye pese omo boy ana teacher for arrest no ye ma meka say me yere teacher ni enti mesre no ka omo kakra na aka mu no mesre so obetua amomo eno na me hia free na na do ho so me da se pa
ye da chi aba no yina munum say from 1992 up to 28 years, the Agoya constituency and voting ma MPP da. Therefore, Arabia here to Abba, if voting ama MPs, and yes, the Agoya constituency. But we share and control Juma Omoya and so me. Juma bebre wo ho anka esuse omoye mo eko 20 one party eko 28 years yenya putua esuse yenya anti afuwe 2020 abaidia yaga sremo Yakuya constituency anywhere. So I feel here, you voting ma, Nana Abudankwa, Akufuabu. I'm voting my dad because I agree. William said, Ghana, Fred near Mexico. You to look at me, not by me about my quick. You call me, you're quick. Abawo de ye pepeto na yakoyenim akoyenim Mokai President before by time no na Ghana sikasem asai President before CC sikasem no over here by 2008 Ujaya National Health Insurance National Youth Employment, free maternal care, capitation grant.
Thanks for watching.